The 2025 Ford Puma is here, and it's got some exciting upgrades. A fresh design, a high-tech interior, and performance tweaks make this compact SUV better than ever. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in. Let's talk design first. While the exterior changes are subtle, they make a difference. The redesigned front grille gives the Puma a sharper look, and now it comes with modern LED headlights for better visibility. But the biggest transformation? It's inside the cabin. Ford has completely upgraded the interior, making it more driver-focused and high-tech. A massive 12-inch touchscreen now runs the latest Sync 4 infotainment system, offering a sleek and responsive interface. Plus, the 12-inch digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic feel, keeping key driving info right in front of you. The dashboard layout has been improved with repositioned air vents, giving the cabin a more spacious and modern vibe. If you opt for the ST Line X trim, you'll get premium Alcantara fabric and sporty red accents, making the interior feel even more upscale. Now, let's talk performance. The Puma is known for its engaging driving dynamics, and the ST Line X trim continues that legacy. With 152 horsepower, it can accelerate from 30 to 70 miles per hour in just 8.7 seconds, pretty solid for a compact SUV. If you want even more punch, the ST model cuts that time down to 6.9 seconds, delivering a thrilling drive. Suspension tuning varies across trims. The ST Line model has a firmer setup, which improves handling but can be a bit stiff on bumpy roads. On the other hand, the titanium trim offers a softer suspension, making it a smoother ride for daily commuting. And what about fuel efficiency? Ford claims the mild hybrid system delivers 47.9 miles per gallon, but in real-world conditions, expect closer to 40 mpg, which is still pretty impressive for an SUV of this size. One cool optional feature? A panoramic roof. It lets in more natural light and makes the cabin feel open and airy, perfect for long road trips. So, is the 2025 Ford Puma worth considering? If you're looking for a compact SUV with modern tech, stylish design, and an engaging drive, it's definitely one to check out.